Listen, if you're working a 9 to 5 right now and you still feel like the Bills are winning, trust me, I've been there and this video is for you. Listen, I get it. You're going to work, you're putting in the hours, you're doing all the things, and you're still falling behind. Well, listen, nobody ever really breaks down the real true options of being able to earn an income online. Stuff that real people can do, no fluff, no nonsense, just real life things that real people can do. So in this video, I'm going to break down some of the options that you have to earn online, and I'm breaking that silence today. So not too long ago, my life looked completely different, right? I'm working a job full time, trying to pay my bills on time, and I'm still not getting ahead, right? Then I get laid off. And so next thing you know, my severance runs out. I'm driving Uber just to stay afloat. And the whole time while I'm driving, I'm thinking, how am I working this hard and still not getting ahead? Listen, I know a lot of you feel the same exact way. You're tired, you're stressed, and you don't know which way is which, right? Really made money online until I started learning one thing. Making money online is not luck. It's not based on how old you are, how pretty you are. It's actually based on learning a skill. And once I learned this skill, and the skill is marketing, and not just marketing, but digital marketing. Once I learned this skill, everything changed for me. So here's what I wish they had told me, right? Most people are looking for the fastest possible way to make money online. But if you learn digital marketing, it is an actual skill that a lot of companies need, right? And all it is you find a product that people already want and you lead them to that product. So it's not crypto, it's not surveys, it's not shipping, it's not looking for the next loophole. It's literally something that businesses pay you to do. Businesses like Amazon, beauty supply products, weight loss products, they all do this, and it's all in high demand. They need people to actually link them to their products, and you as the middleman, just acting as a middleman, you get a commission for it. So you don't need to be tech savvy. You don't have to have some huge, large audience. You don't have to be young and beautiful. All you have to do is be able to be coachable, have 2 hours a day, and you don't even need to quit your job to do this. So let me break it down in the simplest way possible that I can, right? You simply promote a product, someone clicks your link, and you get paid. Companies love doing this for people because that just means more sales for them, right? And once I realized that this is how you can actually make money, and I saw a real person way for me to earn an income online working part-time, that's when everything clicked. So once I committed to learning the skill of digital marketing, it did not change my life overnight, right? But then I got one commission. Then I got another commission. And then I got another commission. And what happened is, just working around a 2 hour workday, I made over $45,000. So my point is, if I can learn this while struggling, paying bills, while driving Uber, while doing all of this, and still make money, I know that regular everyday people that are just like me can do it too. Okay, so if you're saying, all right, this all sounds good, all sounds well and good, but how do I start? Well, look, the program that taught me is called the Legacy Builders Program. Inside it, y'all, you get support, you get daily training from 6 and 7 figure earners, and you get the framework of how, and that's my dog in the back, that's Cooper. And you get the framework of how to actually build a sustainable online business step by step, small digestible chunks that you can actually apply while you're learning. If you guys want to check it out, hey, look, there's no pressure, but click the link in the description. It gives you all the information. It shows you how to get started. It shows you what is taught with inside the program, and it shows you how easy it actually can be. We have a community of over 57,000 people that are learning and earning while they're doing it, and we get $900 per sale. Here's the best part. Once you start selling these products, you get 100% of the profit. There's no cutting, there's no little percentages. You are getting 100% of the sale. So I just want to share this information with you because I was lucky enough to have somebody share it with me, and it completely changed my life. It changed my surroundings. It changed the way it actually gave me a skill, and now I know how to market not just this product but any product online. So I just want to be the one to tell you, look, if I can do it, you can do it. I'm rooting for you. Check out the information. I'm going to send you a free 10K and 30-day guide once you click that link. So just make sure that you check your spam, check your junk in case you don't see it, but you will get that email from me right away. And make sure you put in your best email because you're going to get a bunch of other cool stuff from me as well. If you guys like this video, if you want to see more videos like this, then just make sure you hit that bell, hit the like, and subscribe. And I will be uploading more information just like this. See you guys on the inside.